This is the best AI video generator that I've seen. This AI has changed the game with its incredibly high-quality AI video generator. The amount of motion is impressive, but what's even more impressive is the ability to preserve the identity of the subjects inside the videos, combined with a high amount of motion. Consistency of details in the videos is really better than anything else. It's capable of animating your prompts, but to get even better results you'll want to use the image-to-video AI, and the best part is that it's completely free to try. In this tutorial, I'll show you the basics of getting started with this AI named Luma AI. It's a high level of motion combined with identity preservation that's really impressive to me. Stays the same without any warping or distortion, the background is also coherent, the quality of motion is pretty high. Stays consistent throughout the video for other AI video generators. Luma AI, it's pretty easy to get usable videos. To sign up, head to Luma Labs. I'll put the link in the description, click on that link to try out. This called Dream Machine is an AI model that makes high-quality, realistic videos fast from text and images. It is a highly scalable and efficient transformer model trained directly on videos, making it capable of generating physically accurate, consistent and eventful shots. Dream Machine is first step towards building a universal imagination engine, and it is available to everyone now. Dream Machine have capability to generate high-quality videos from text as well from images. Dream Machine is an incredibly fast video generator. Capable of generating 120 frames in 120 seconds. Dream Machine generates 5-second shots with a realistic smooth motion, cinematography, and drama. It make lifeless into lively. Able to turn snapshots into stories. Dream Machine understands how people, animals, and objects interact with the physical world. This allows you to create videos with great character consistency and accurate physics. It helps you experiment with an endless array of fluid, cinematic, and naturalistic camera motions matching the emption and contents of the scene. Let's visit Luma AI. You will find all necessary links in the description. Don't forget to check description and first comment. And if you find my video helpful, don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel. And stay connected till the end to watch how Luma AI can be used. Before going so far, I want to show you one thing. You can buy 15 million plus digital products valued at over $2,000, what is ready to for personal and commercial use, and also, you can able to resell it to anyone of your audience to start making money from today. In this digital bundle, you will get a complete video bundle what have 20,000 plus sound effects, 20,000 plus presets, 8,000 plus Final Cut Pro elements, 5,000 plus stock video footage, 5,000 plus Adobe Premiere Pro templates, and many more. You will find the link in description to check before purchase. Have a graphic bundle, elevate your design game. It includes 250,000 plus fonts, 150,000 plus Adobe Lightroom presets, 1 lakh plus Adobe Photoshop assets, 250,000 plus t-shirt designs, 60,000 plus logos bundle, 10,000 plus vector icons, 10,000 plus presentation assets, and many more. It have also a developer bundle what includes 4,500 plus WordPress themes and plugins, 1,000 plus website themes with HTML5, CSS, PHP, 700 plus PHP scripts, 600 plus mobile applications, and many more. It have a book and article bundle what includes 3 lakh plus ebooks, 9 million plus PLR articles, and 3 million plus PLR ebooks and articles. It have ultimate ChatGPT prompts, includes advanced ChatGPT prompts, ChatGPT cheat sheet, etc. Have a bonus. 1,000 plus reels ready to upload to your Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, or whatever you want. And 1,000 plus YouTube kits and 1 million plus t-shirt design package. After purchase, you will get a PDF file instantly with all links of those digital files. You will able to use it whenever you want, or you can sell it to anyone. I want to show you some example files. Don't miss out on this golden opportunity to revolutionize your digital content creation journey. With a combined value of over $2,000, this bundle is a game changer at a fraction of the cost. Act now and unleash your creativity like never before. Or sell the bundle to your customers. Here is reel files. You will able to use 5,000 plus reels. You will get Google Drive links. You will need to just download and upload where you want. This reels are copyright free. So don't worry. You will able to monetize them. Let's see some example reel.
Do I look unhealthy? Take a look at this physique. I'm in phenomenal shape. In body and mind. To me, what's unhealthy is living an unhealthy life. To me, what's unhealthy is getting up and going through the same day every day of your life, 9 to 5, in an office or in a... that's unhealthy. That beats your mind.
You can buy a house, but not a home. With money, you can buy a clock, but not time. With money, you can buy a bed, but not sleep. With money, you can buy food, but not appetite. With money, you can buy a doctor, but not good health. With money, you can have insurance, but not safety. And this is the problem that we all have. There are things that you cannot buy with material wealth.
Now let's get back to our video. Here you are watching Luma's homepage. Dream Machine is an incredibly fast video generator. It can generate 120 frames in 120 seconds, what is really incredible. Dream Machine can generate 5-second shots with a realistic smooth motion, cinematography, and drama, as I told earlier. Dream Machine understands how people, animals, and objects interact with the physical world. It allows you to create videos with great character consistency and accurate physics. Click on Try Now button at right top side. And click on Sign In with Google button and sign in straightly with your Google account for start using this AI video generator free. Due to high demand, it temporarily limiting free tiers to 10 generations per day. Anyway, you will find a prompt box and find some prompt suggestion just below of that box. Here I am selecting a random prompt for those suggestion to check how it generates from suggested prompts. Due to high demand, this generation took almost 2 to 3 minutes. Let's see the first generation. The prompt is extreme close-up footage of a young sailor woman with a concerned expression during a rainstorm. I think, extremely well generation. Very detail-oriented. What do you think? Comment me. Now trying another suggestion from suggested prompt. When you will try this AI first time, you can also try from suggestion. I select another one and this also took few minutes to generate. Let's see this Distortion. The prompt was low-angle shot of a majestic tiger prowling through a snowy landscape, leaving paw prints on the white blanket. Can you believe? This generation is just wow. Now I want compare it by using Sora's prompt. Going to Sora AI's website to find a better prompt, here I am selecting the most popular video of Sora, copying this prompt and going back to Luma and pasting the copied prompt to see what's happening. Let's check the generation. Can you believe it how better generation it is? Pretty good generation. But the only problem I think is the clip duration is only 5 seconds. If Dream Machine can add up to 30 seconds video, it will be one of the best AI ever. Tell me your opinion by commenting below. I will reply each comment one by one. Now going back to Sora for finding another prompt. I have just copied this prompt and pasting it to Luma's Dream Machine prompt box to see the result and for your better understanding about this AI. Here it is ready. This generation was great too. I will show you how to generate AI video using image. But till now, if you find my video helpful, please thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You will find an image button before prompt box. Click on that image to upload your reference image and then add the prompt and submit. This process may take more time generally to generate your video. Remember, every generation will not satisfy you. Try to add prompt in detail to get better results. Let's see this result from reference image to AI video. I just add the image and add a line as prompt. Iron Man walking in front of camera. This generation was dissatisfactory. So, let's try another image. Try to use simple image rather any complex image to get better result for image to AI video. Tell me if my video helps you a bit in comment section. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.